So this is a computer keyboard and this is a mouse. Okay, and suppose if you want to create a keyboard and mouse symbol in computer, it will look like this. In your Windows computer, after opening Microsoft Word, you can create this using a shortcut. So this is a keyboard with mouse, keyboard and mouse, keyboard with mouse. How to create using keyboard shortcut is discussed in this video. So for creating this symbol, you must first turn on the num lock in your keyboard. Then you can see an alt key on the left side. You must press this alt key. You did not remove your finger from this alt key. After that, you must type in this section 128422. After that, you release your finger from this alt key. So you can see that the symbol arrived. For more videos, subscribe and stay with Engineers Online. Thank you.